Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download font to Cricut design space. It's so simple. First of all, you need to go to the site from where you're gonna download the fonts. Like, people generally prefer these two sites, dafont.com and googlefonts.com. So both of these sites are very popular, and from here people download their fonts. Like, if you look at here, a lot of fonts are here. You can just explore the categories, and whichever font you like, you can just download that by clicking on the download button. Similarly, you can go to googlefonts.com site, and here you'll see lot of fonts. You can filter them out and just download the one which you like. Once you download the font, just go to that location where you have downloaded that file. So it would be in my sample data folder, and yeah, this is the folder, or this is the file which I have downloaded from googlefonts.com. Now, in order to install this font, what we need to do, just hit right click. You will see the option extract all, so click here and just click on extract, and your file would be extracted here. So this is the one here, just open it. So this is the font right here which we're gonna install, and the type of the font is TTF, or you can say true type font. It would be OTF or open type font in your case, and that's completely fine. You can install that too. So for now, we just double click on the font. You will see the option for install, just click on it. And yeah, at this point we have successfully installed the font. So you can just close this, close the file manager. Now if you have open Cricut design space, we need to close this too. Only then we're gonna see that font into the software. So close it, click on quit. Now we again gonna open the software. Just for the instance, let's click on new project, click on text to add text here. I'll just name it something like sample. Okay, and just hit Ctrl+A in order to select your text. Once you select that, click on this drop down which is for font, and once we expand that, here you will see the option for like system, recent fonts you use, and the fonts from Cricut. In our case, we have downloaded the font and installed the font in the system, so we're gonna click on system, and we just gonna search the font name. So it was something as Racing, this one, Racing Sans. So yeah, this is the way you can install or download font into your Cricut design space. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet on the next one. Bye bye.